Farm time, clap and play. Meet new friends on the farm today. Farm time, come and see who is waiting by the big oak tree. This is the duck says quack, 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 splash and flap. Waddling round the pond all day, duck goes quack in a funny way. This is the goat says ma, 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 near and far. Climbing high on the rocks to play, goat goes ma through the farmyard way. This is the turkey, gobble, gobble sound, gobble, 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 walking round. Spreads its feathers big and wide, turkey gobbles with pride outside. This is the rabbit hopping fast, thump, 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 racing past. Long soft ears and a cotton tail, rabbit hops on the farmyard trail. This is the chick